The story of the farmer and the king. Long ago, there was a kind-hearted king who ruled over his land with justice. His people were happy, yet the king always worried whether he truly understood the lives of his subjects. Instead of just listening to ministers in the palace, he often disguised himself and went into villages to see how ordinary people lived. One day, the king decided to visit the farmers. Dressed in simple clothes, he traveled to a village. Near the fields, he saw a farmer plowing the land with his ox. The sun was blazing, sweat was dripping from the farmer's forehead, yet he worked tirelessly with a smile of contentment on his face. The king greeted him and asked, "Brother, you work so hard day and night. Don't you ever get tired?" The farmer smiled and replied, "Of course, I get tired. But when I think that my hard work feeds my children and keeps my fields green, the tiredness feels sweet." The king asked again, "If you ever became a king, what would you do?" The farmer laughed and said, "Why would I want to be a king, my lord? All I wish for is enough to live without begging from anyone, and to be able to help others. Hard work is my true wealth, not a throne." The king was astonished by the farmer's wise and humble words. After a few days, the king returned to his palace and called the farmer to the royal court. The farmer was shocked to realize that the man he had spoken to was the king himself. Nervous, he stood quietly before the throne. The king smiled and said, "Good farmer, your words taught me more than many scholars have. You reminded me that true kingship lies not in wealth, but in hard work and contentment." The king rewarded the farmer with gold coins, land, and a strong ox. But the farmer bowed and replied humbly, "Your Majesty, I am grateful. But please give me only what makes my life a little easier, and share the rest with those who are truly in need." The king was deeply moved. He declared before the entire court, "This farmer is a true example for all of us. The one who relies on his hard work is the real king." From that day on, the king passed a new law: every hardworking farmer would be supported by the state so that no one in the kingdom would go hungry. Moral of the story: true kingship is not found in riches or power, but in hard work, contentment, and serving others.